Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best air impact wrenches that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Ingersoll Rand 231C Super Duty Air Impact Wrenches. This 1/2 inch air impact wrench also comes with about 6 gears for both forward and reverse. If one gear is not tough enough, just make a simple adjustment and you should be on your way again. Then the variable speed trigger controls the speed of the wrench, making sure you do not over-tighten the bolts you are working on. The fully lubricated motor works like a finely tuned watch. When you want to do a good job, this air impact wrench has the features to help you get it done. Moving on at number 4, we have Ingersoll Rand Drive Air Impact Wrench. The titanium-covered housing should provide all the strength this air impact wrench needs to work hard. Then the easy-to-hold pistol grip handle lets your fingers get to the trigger without hesitation. Once in your hand, your work should go by faster with its approximately 900 to 1300 foot-pounds of torque. Then the hog ring makes socket replacement quicker than ever. You should be able to work faster with the twin hammer technology that is included. After you connect this impact wrench to its air power supply, you should have a durable tool that makes your work life a lot smoother. At number 3, we have PORTERCABLE Impact Wrench. Forward and reverse, variable speeds and good RPM make for a great combination when you have a lot of work to do during the day. This air impact wrench has all of that and 450 foot-pounds of torque to help you work better than you have in the past. Then the powerful 7.5 amp motor makes sure your work goes smoothly and without power delays. There is more. The rubberized grip should cut hand fatigue and let you work longer. A 1/2 inch hog ring makes sure you can change sockets quicker and easier as well. At number 2, we have DEWALT 20 volts Max XR Impact Wrench Kit. A brushless motor helps this air impact wrench and does its job without breaking down. Its performance is second to none with this motor design. Plus, its almost 9-inch length makes sure the motor has the power to remove stubborn bolts without making you work that hard. Its 3 speeds make sure you have the RPMs to be gentle or tough when the situation calls for either technique. A single LED light gets rid of the shadows so you have a clear view of what needs to be done. The cordless feature makes sure you have the maneuvering capability to work comfortably and quickly. And finally at number 1, NitroCatkevlar Composite Air Impact Wrenches. Once connected to the air supply, you have a tough 1/2 inch air impact wrench ready and willing to tackle just about any job it can. Then with its special grip design, your hands should not get overworked or tired out. Also, the powerful motor only puts out about 86 decibels, making using this wrench easy on your ears. With its forward and reverse options, you can get your work done quickly with just a flick of the thumb. Included in this package is a twin clutch technology that works on tight bolts that refuse to move. The 1295 foot-pounds of torque provide the power to loosen stubborn bolts. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.